the Haters Homestead. It's just me, homeboy, Rain.
Our channel's about happiness and being in touch with Mother Nature. The world is already too serious. I try to offer something that's kick back, funny, and still entertaining. So if you like what we got here, I suggest that I ask you, please hit that like button and subscribe. If I made you smile, and I changed your mindset, took your mind off of everything else that's going on, then please hit that like button. If I didn't make you smile, and I didn't make happiness, distraction of the normal craziness, then hit that dislike button. But please leave me a comment on how I can improve. That's what I'm about. Just trying to put out good content. Stuff that makes everyone happy. And yes, we're steadily growing. Every day I put in new work into this.